Hello and welcome to another MI How-To video. My name is Tom Clark. I am your host, and on today's How-To, we're going to be learning about the integration of Eaton's Electro-Hydraulic cylinder and Axis Pro proportional valve for your next hydraulics project. And here to help us out is going to be Stephanie Reisberg. She is with Eaton's Hydraulics Group. And Stephanie, welcome.
Hi, Tom. Thanks for having me.
It's good to have you here. And this looks really cool. And I want you to tell me more about the electro-hydraulic system solution, because to me, it seems like a merger of electronics. We have hydraulics. And honestly, I'm thinking this is the future of hydraulics. Am I close?
Well, you're right, Tom. Today I'm going to show the benefits of cylinder actuation using an onboard programmable proportional valve called Axis Pro. The system includes a cylinder that features integrated sensor options combined with Eaton's Axis Pro high-performance proportional valve, which contains integrated electronics, closed-loop control, and serial communication capabilities. This valve is mounted directly on the cylinder and wired to the embedded sensor.
Okay, now it sounds advanced, but it looks simple. So what would be some of the benefits of this setup we have here?
Well, I'm glad you asked. There are two factors that contribute to the incredible flexibility that this system provides a machine builder. First, let's talk about Eaton's Pro FX Configure 2.0. The intuitive interface provides a seamless navigation experience to quickly and easily set up your valve. This improved design provides a wizard application base that greatly reduces the valve setup time and also contains built-in calculations to automatically populate system inputs. Toggle between sensor inputs of analog, voltage, and more to have flexibility in the system setup to reduce installation time and cost. The second factor is the close proximity of the valve to the cylinder. The onboard programming combined with closed-loop control of Axis Pro valve results in precise position control, low hysteresis, and good linearity of the cylinder's movement.
So can this electro-hydraulic system be used in all different types of applications?
Well, yes, Tom. This system can be used in numerous applications like oil and gas, processing, civil projects, alternative energy, and discrete manufacturing. And each system can be configured to whatever cylinder and valve specifications are required for those applications using the programming interface I mentioned earlier, Pro FX Configure 2.0.
Now, that sounds like a really ideal solution. So how can our viewers find out more about the cylinder and Axis Pro valve in order to design and integrate them into a project?
Well, working with your Motion Industries fluid power specialist, use Eaton's online cylinder CAD configurator to help with the selection process. For the Axis Pro valve, use Eaton's valve configuration tool, which takes customer application information and recommends the best valve model to do the required job.
Now, it seems like that's going to save a lot of time and ensure that you do have a solid product configuration. So I want to see how this electro-hydraulic system works.
Sure, Tom. Let's take a look at the Pro FX Configure 2.0 wizard showing cylinder position control. You can see the user-friendly interface and simple design of the tool using a step-by-step process to configure your valve. You can quickly enter your inputs, click Save and Continue, and easily move to the next step. Some of the key features are the flexible sensor configuration and the demand shaping. The demand shaping allows the user to fine-tune the valve response to match their system requirements. After demand shaping, no further control tuning is needed, greatly reducing your setup time. Now let's see the Axis Pro valve controlling the cylinder position.
Okay. So we're going to turn it on now.
Now this technology ultimately provides the customer with a closed-loop feedback system that's internal to the valve.
Now it looks pretty easy to use and seems like it's a great fit for any hydraulic equipment.
Well, that's right. I'd like to remind everyone that combining the Axis Pro valve with a cylinder also enables onboard diagnostics and troubleshooting, as well as considerable savings in design footprint, wiring, and host configurations.
Okay. Now, one thing before I let you go, can we also use that to like press hamburger patties for big parties?
Oh, yeah.
I like that. Stephanie, thank you so much. That's great information today.
Thanks for having me.
All right. If you have any questions at all about anything you saw here today, you can contact your nearest Motion Industries branch location, and they'll be able to help you out. As you noticed, I had my PPE on the counter here if we needed it, but not for today's demonstration. But remember, safety is always priority number one, so always make sure you wear the proper PPE for whatever the job calls for. Priority number two, as I always tell you, go to mihowto.com and check out more videos just like this one on a whole bunch of different things. I'm Tom Clark, your host. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.